Welcome back to Skills to Income. I am your host Mohammed Altamash, and in today's episode, I am giving you a 24-hour challenge. Build your first digital product and launch it for just 499 rupees. No overthinking, no complicated funnels, just a clean system that gets you into the game fast. This is the same structure I used to launch my first mini offers, and today it still powers products that bring in 3 lakh rupees per month. Let's dive in. The three principles of a fast selling product. Before you create anything, remember this. 1. Speed beats perfection. Solve one problem, not 10. 3. Delivery should be instant and digital. People don't want big, they want clear. So, your goal is not to make a course, it's to solve a specific pain and sell it simply. Step 1. Find a simple, urgent problem. You don't need to guess. Just answer this. What do people DM you about? What do clients struggle with most? What do beginners in your niche often get stuck on? Let's say you're into content creation. The problem could be, I don't know what to post every day. Boom. That's your problem. Now your product becomes 30 days of ready to post content ideas for coaches and creators. Straightforward, valuable, clear. Step 2. Choose your product format. For 499 rupees, stick to low friction formats like Notion templates, swipe files, checklists, PDF guides, mini tutorials, voiceover walkthroughs, Canva templates, toolkits or planners. Make it quick to consume, under 30 minutes. And remember, a product doesn't need to be long, it needs to be useful. Step 3. Build it in Notion or Canva. I use Notion for templates, frameworks, planners, Canva for checklists, swipe files, and visual guides. Don't complicate the design. Use a clean font, brand colors, and structure it logically. Example sections. 1. Problem 2. Step-by-step solution. 3. Examples or templates. 4. Bonus. Tools or resource list. 5. CTA or link to your community. If you want, add an 11 Labs voiceover guide to walk them through the product. This adds a personal touch, even for a faceless brand. Step 4. Host and deliver with simplicity. Once it's done, upload it to TagMango. Price it at 499 rupees. Through TagMango delivery will be automatic. Link it to your email system via Kit. Now every buyer gets a thank you message, their download, a welcome email, an invite to your TagMango community, and it's all hands off. Step 5. Launch it with one reel and one email. Don't wait for the perfect moment, just post. Here's a sample reel script. If you're stuck on what to post every day, I just dropped a 30-day content plan for creators. It's faceless, fast, and fully done for you. Link in bio. 499 rupees, instant access. Then email your list. Problem, promise, link. Limited time, bonus if needed. You're not selling, you're solving. Bonus was stack and scale later. Once your first product is live, here's what you can do. Bundle it with another for 899 rupees. Upsell a community membership on TagMango. Offer a private Q&A call for 999 rupees. Add more voice guided versions using 11 Labs. Create a low ticket funnel with 3 steps. Freebie, product, upsell. The hard part is starting. Once it's out there, you'll feel the momentum. Here's your 24-hour challenge. 1. Pick your niche. 2. Identify one painful common problem. 3. Solve it in a simple format, Notion or Canva. 4. Host it on TagMango. 5. Price it at 499 rupees. Write one reel script plus one email. 7. Launch and learn. This one product might not make you rich, but it will unlock your next chapter. And in my experience, the people who start small are the ones who end up scaling smart. Thanks for listening to episode 17 of Skills to Income. If you've been delaying your first product, this is your moment. Screenshot this episode, post it on Instagram, and tag me. You can find the username is mentioned in the description. Next episode, we'll talk about how to turn a 499 rupees buyer into a long-term customer. Until then, stay consistent, stay curious, and always choose freedom